it's Melissa. In this video, I am going to do not only a quick unboxing, but an introduction and a first look at my brand new Brother SE2000 embroidery and sewing machine. And I gotta tell you, I have been using the SE600, which I love, but the SE2000 is a huge upgrade. Not only is it a larger hoop, which is a 5x7 versus the 4x4 on the 600, but there are so many like technology type upgrades that it's awesome. So this is a sewing and embroidery machine. As you can see, really, out of the box, there's not a whole lot that you have to do. You've got a presser foot, you've got some power cords, you have a whole bunch of little extras there, and then obviously you've got the embroidery hoop. But it's what you can't see here that is really what I think is a total game changer for this machine, and that is the Artspira app. So that app is going to allow you to basically send designs back and forth wirelessly from your phone or your PC to the Brother SE2000. And I'm gonna have to show you how cool this is, because not only is this machine compatible with Artspira app, it's also completely wireless. It's very beginner friendly. It's easy to set up. There's lots of little storage compartments in here. And it has this huge screen on it that makes things really, really easy. Not only to be able to see, but it gives a lot of instruction on exactly what you should be doing. So even if you're like me, where you're more of like a casual sewer or embroidery, and I kind of pair it with other crafting type things that I'm doing, this is not something that I do, it's not my main craft. It's still a really easy machine to use. So it does, as I said, it has a 5x7 hoop. You can also sew on it. It has 241 built-in sewing stitches. The thing that I love the most, to be completely honest, is the automatic threading. So it's just difficult, as you probably know, to see in order to thread that tiny needle, and this has an automatic threader. Once you figure out how to do that, and I'm gonna have videos on that, it's very easy to do. You can connect to your wireless network, which again, it's not Wi-Fi and it's not Bluetooth, it's LAN, but I have videos on how to do that as well. It makes it very, very easy to transfer things back and forth. So you don't even need to use a USB, you don't need to use a thumb drive, although you can if you want. It has speed controls for how fast you can wind the bobbin and how fast you can embroider. It is just a really, really awesome machine. I love being able to make this upgrade, because again, not only are you getting the larger 5x7 hoop, but just all this technology that's packed in there. I didn't even mention that the Artspira app, not only does it have built-in designs and fonts, you can add your own as well. And then you can even digitize files. So if you have an SVG file that's not set up for embroidery or applique, you can actually use the Artspira app to digitize that yourself. So it's just completely a game changer there. There's about 5,000 designs built into the Artspira app that you can use. Of course, you can also purchase your own or create your own for that as well. And I don't even know what to say. I have so many videos coming and so many cool things that you can do with this machine, that if you are looking for a beginner friendly, easy machine that's still, yes, it's up there in price. It runs about $1,600, but what you are getting with this machine is really elevated, and I would consider it an elite type beginner machine with, again, a 5x7 hoop, and a whole lot packed in to this machine. So now that I have totally bragged on this machine, if you are interested in learning more, all of the information can be found in the description below. I have links on my recommended bundles with the SE2000. I have links to tutorials and videos so that you can get up and get started right away, including how to wind the bobbin, how to thread the machine, how to do that automatic threading, how to set up Artspira with the SE2000, and of course, tons of project ideas and inspiration. All right, guys, thanks so much. See you soon.